Hi everyone, you all are welcome in another episode of Laughter Therapy with Abhishek. I know you all are a little disappointed with me because after a long time gap I come up with new video. But you don't know what happened to me. I was depressed from the past few weeks. Actually on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, one of my crush messaged, Happy Raksha Bandhan Bhaiya. Look, it hurts because from whom you are expecting to listen the word Saiya and suddenly she says Bhaiya. So let's move on. Whatever happens, happens for the best. We cannot control everything. So let us now focus on today's topic. Look, if you want to know anything about any topic, we just search it on Google and gather the information. But there are some words which you search on the Google, you will find very interesting and funny results. The first word is chappal. Look, what do you expect when you search the word what is chappal in India? Everyone might expect an item or thing which people use in their foot to protect from sunlight, dust, etc. But the answer by the Google is totally unexpected. Have a look.
What is chappal in India?
A device used by Indian parents for reshaping their kids for a better tomorrow. Wow, what an answer by Google. And the second word is bhikhari. When you search the word bhikhari on Google, as expected the image of beggar should come, but
no.
I can understand Google, some qualities between Imran Khan and beggars are similar. Like beggars travel from one place to another for begging, just like Imran Khan travels one country to another country for borrowing money. But that doesn't mean you will make him officially bhikhari. Have you noticed the interesting part? Just by searching the word bhikhari, you get the image of Imran Khan. But it should be like when you search bhikhari PM, then image of Imran Khan should come.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
To improve my pronunciation and way of speaking, I was looking for good teacher on YouTube, and it is really very tough to find a good teacher. But eventually I found some teachers whose pronunciation and way of speaking is really out of the box. Have a look.
G O G L E Gulu.
Gulu gulu. We used to pronounce this word when we play with the cheeks of kids.
Gulu.
So now let's see another legend lady teacher of English.
P H O S P H O R U yes. Pos L E D G Canal let gay C I A N Mathematikian U R Nay Ghabu J E R Arnold Jen no. Arnold Subhash Nagar.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं ये?
This type of teacher needs to be appreciated. A huge round of applause for her. Hats off, ma'am.
Yen Yell Nati Onal.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope that you all have enjoyed a lot. If you have enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe, and also please comment your favorite part.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.